Good evening, everyone, students. Welcome to Jitadhara Educational Technology online coaching classes for Nmmss 2025. So, today we are going to see the topic on maths about BODMAS. Okay, BODMAS rule గురించి ఈ రోజు క్లాస్ లో మనం తెలుసుకుందాము. వాటి మీద కొన్ని సమ్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేద్దాము. And also we'll have another session like what comes next and a mental ability concept. So we'll discuss that also. Before we start the class, I want to give you a important information that NMMS కి ఇంకా అప్లై చేసుకోవడానికి డేట్ పొడిగించారు 18/10/2025 వరకు. సో ఇంకా ఎవరన్నా అప్లై చేసుకొని వాళ్ళు ఉంటే ప్లీజ్ డూ అప్లై. 18/10/2025 is the last date to apply for NMMS exam. It has been extended. So please apply. ఓకే, ఇంకా ఎవరైనా అప్లై చేసుకునే వాళ్ళు ఉంటే అప్లై చేయండి. అప్లై చేసుకున్న వాళ్ళకి ఈ లింక్ షేర్ చేసి క్లాసెస్ వినమని చెప్పండి. ఓకే, నౌ లెట్ us start the class. I hand over to Gayatri ma'am to start the session.
Yes, thank you. Very good evening, students. Hope you all are doing good. All right, so in today's class, we'll see BODMAS. Chala important chapter, chala important theory in your mathematics. Okay, so this we will be following throughout in all maths chapters, especially your algebra. We will follow BODMAS. Okay, all right. Now our topic for today, we are going to do this part 1 of BODMAS. All right, see, let me write one second. Okay. All right. Got it. Okay.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
I have not taught anything now. I am trying to bring the pen because this is little different. All right. So students, we have BODMAS. So B stands for bracket. Okay. Of. Okay. Then we take division, multiplication, addition. Then the last one is only subtraction. All right, students. So first we take from the bracket, we first finish off division. Then we have to do multiplication. Then we have to do addition and then subtraction. All right, students. See, here we do not have any brackets. Okay. So here we only have addition, subtraction. So in this case, we can do first addition and then we can do subtraction. Okay. So now what is 200 plus 120? It is 320. So what is 320 minus 60? That will give us 260. Okay. So this is a simple addition and subtraction. So your correct answer is option A, that is 260. Okay. So now let's see the answer. Okay. Right. Now see the next question. Right. See the next one. Here also we have simple one. 18 minus 3 plus 5 minus 7. So what is the answer? See, I have let me erase this because it is coming throughout. Yes. So anybody who has given the answers, let me see. All right. So let me click the chat box and see how many of you have given the answers. Yes, Veda Varshita, Shanmuga Priya, Grace, Navadeep, Sankeet, Tushar. Many have given the correct answer since it's a simple question. Okay, all right. So if this is there, it's not working. Okay. Right. So the answer must be 3. So this is also simple, isn't it? All right. Now, see the next question. So from addition and subtraction, the next thing that we are doing is multiplication. Okay. So now in multiplication, as I said, first division you should see, then you should see multiplication. So now 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. So your answer must be option A, that is 17. Okay. So this must be your correct answer. Okay, right. So I'm sure many of you would have given me the correct answer. Right. See the next question. Here we have 4 plus 3 into 5. Isn't it? So what did I say, students? That so if you have like this, first you should take multiplication. Here we do not have division. So take multiplication, that is 4 3s are 12. Then plus 5 will give us 17. Okay. All right. Now, see the next question. We have 4 plus 3 into 5. Okay. So, all right. So here we have this as multiplication. So what is multiplication here? 3 into 5. We do not have division. So first you should solve this. So that is 4 3s are, that is 3 5s are 15 plus 4, which is 19. All right, students. So that is how you are getting the answer as 19. Okay, right. Now see the next question. Another way of doing is 4 plus 3 into 5. So 4 plus 3, 7 into 5, 35. That is wrong. Why is it wrong? Because we have to follow only the BODMAS. That is first division, next multiplication. Okay, right. Now, whichever we have, whenever we have many operators, which one should we follow? So whenever we have many operators, which one should we follow? So we have to follow BODMAS. So what is BODMAS? Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. Okay, right. So now let us practice working with 4 basic operations first. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Okay. Right. Now see the next question. Here we have, let me erase this. Okay. So here we have division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. All right. Now see how this is being solved. First, we are taking division, that is 24 divided by 4, which is 6. We don't have multiplication. So we are directly adding and then subtracting. Okay. So we are getting 16. That is 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6, 14. Minus 9, which is 5. All right. Now see the next question we have. Consider the following: 24 plus 4 divided by 2 into 19. Okay, students, so as I said, here you have to follow the BODMAS. Right, see how are we going to follow? First division. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Next multiplication. So into 9. 2 nines are 18. So here we have 24 plus 18. Right? So 12, 42. Okay. All right. Let's see the answer. Okay. See 42. Right. Now see the next question. Here also we have. Let me erase. Right. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. That is division first. Next we have multiplication. So into 24. Okay. That is 24 into 2. You get 48 plus 9. So 58 is 7. This is the answer. 57. Okay. Right. Let's see the answer. Okay. So this is how we have to do. All right. So next. Let me erase this. So here we have 24 divided by 4 divided by 2 plus 9. Okay. Now I'm giving you just 1 minute time, students. You can tell me your answers. Let me see how many are giving the answers. Options I'm not giving you. You just have to give me the answers. So Nikisha, Abhiram, Navadeep, then Techno Spark, then Arun Kumar, Nikshipta, Veda Varshita. After I have Lasya, Satvik, Sai, Shashank. All right. So, Sri Vidya, Sai, Grishma, Vedashri, many more are giving the answers. Good students, Varshini, Tushar, Alaveni, Raju. Okay. All right. So many are giving me the good, correct answers. Good students. All right. Now, for this also, I have got a very correct answer. But since I'm explaining, I'm just giving you this. First, we have to take division. So what is 24 divided by 4? 6 4s are 24. So now again you have another division, isn't it? So 6 divided by 2 is 3. Next plus 9. So answer ఏంటి వచ్చింది 12. Okay, ఇక్కడ you can see 2 divisions. So all both divisions has to be done. And ఇక్కడికి multiplication లేదు. So we are doing division and then addition. Okay. So 6 divided by 2 is 3 plus 9, which is 12. Okay, students? All right. So hope you all have understood. See the next answer for this. Okay. Right. Now see the next one. Let me erase this. All right. Now see the question. 32 divided by 4 divided by 2 divided plus 6. Right. So here also we have BODMAS to be used, right? So similar to what we did, 32 divided by 4 divided by 2 plus 6. Okay. So we get 10. 32 divided by 4 is 8. That divided by 2 is 4 plus 6. Okay. Right. Now see the next question. So for this, I'm expecting the answers from you all students. Give me the correct answers. By then we will do the sum. Okay. Right. Now see here. 36 divided by 2 is what? 18. 18 twos are 36, isn't it? That divided by 3, that divided by 2. So 18 divided by 3 is what? 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So your answer is option 3. Okay. Yes. So your answer is option 3. Let's see the answer. Okay. All right. See the next question. Give me the answer, students. By then, let me erase this, clear this. Yes. So here you have 8 plus 16 divided by 4. So as I said, first take the division. So 8 plus 16 divided by 4 is 4. 4 fours are 16, isn't it? Minus 6. So first you add. So BODMAS, addition, after that only subtraction. So 8 plus 4, 12. Minus 6 is 6. Right? So your option must be option C, that is 6. Yes, let's see the answer for this. Okay, so your answer is option C. Okay, see the next question. By then I will erase. Yeah, so here we have 10 plus 2 into 4. So we'll take 2 into 4, 8. 10 plus 8, 18. Minus 7 is 11. So option C must be the correct answer. Okay, let's check the answer. Yes, it is. See the next question. By then let me erase this. Yeah, so we have 6 divided by 2, that is 8, into 4 minus 7. Next, after division, we have multiplication. So 8 fours are 32 minus 7. So 25. So your option D is the correct answer. Okay. Now let me see the answer before I check the answer. Okay. All right. So let me see how many of you have given me the correct answers. Yeah, so it's actually running. Shripati, Ritvik, I have Navadeep. Many have given me the right answer, students. It's actually running. I'm not able to read the names. So Tiranesh, Bindu, Shri, many have given me the correct answers. Students, good that you all are trying the answers by yourself. Okay, good. Now let's move on to the next question. Here goes our next question. Yeah, so let me erase. Yes. So as I said, 18 divided by 9, 9 twos are 18. 2 into 6 divided by 3. But here another division is there. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 2 into 2, which is 4. So option A must be the correct answer. Okay. All right. Yes. So answer option A, 4. Right. See the next question. Yeah. So let's do the sum. Yes. So first division, 14 divided by 7 is 2. Next, we have multiplication. That is 16. Oh no, here we have another division. Sorry. So first division, 7 twos are 14. Next division, 4. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So we have a multiplication. Then we have addition. So as I said, first, after division, we should go to multiplication. That is 3 plus 8. So your answer must be 11, option 3. Yes, so let's see the answer. Okay, right. See the next question. Okay, so here you have your next question to be this. So first you have division. That's what our BODMAS rule says. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. Because 4 threes are 12. So 8 plus 3 into, we have this. That is 10 divided by 2 is 5. Next 6. So after division, we have multiplication. So 8 plus 15 plus 6. Okay. 13. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 multiplied by 5 plus 6. So 15. Yes. So 15. 8 plus 6. 14. So it is 29. Correct. So your option D must be the correct one. Let's see the answer. Yes, it is. Okay. Now, at this juncture, I would like to see how many of you have given me the correct answers. Okay. Many have given D as a correct answer. Raju, Tika, Ritvik, Shar. Then I have Bindu Shri, Sai, Shashank, Veda, Sankeet, Rutika. Many have given the correct answers. Good students, good to those, who have given the correct answers. Right. See the next question. We have 24 divided by 3. Let me erase the highlights. Okay, so let's see here. So 24 divided by 3 is 8. 8 threes are 24 divided by 4. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. All right, so first we are taking this division. Okay, after that we are taking this division, then multiplication. So your answer must be 10. Okay, all right, see the next question. Let me erase this. So here we have 36 divided by 3. So 12. 12 threes are 36. Next, that divided by 6. is 2. Then multiplied by 7 is 14. So your option C must be the correct one. So first we are using the BODMAS rule. So bracket of division. So that's what we did, both the division. After that, multiplication. Okay, right. Let's see the next question. We have yeah. So here we have 100 divided by 4 is 25. That divided by 5 is 5. Into 10 is 50. Okay, as per the BODMAS rule. As per the BODMAS rule. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So we should take off all divisions and then multiplication. That's all. Okay. So we are getting option A as the correct one. All right. Good. Now see the next question. See the next question, students. 80 divided by 4 is 20 minus next multiplication is 15. So 20 minus 15 is 5. So option A is the correct one. Okay, let's see the answer. So we have 5, option A as the correct answer. All right, so those who have given our option A is the correct one. All right. Let me erase this. Yeah. Now see the next question. So 80 divided by 4 is 4 20s are divided by 5. So which is 5 fours are 20 into 3. And here we have plus 100. So 80 divided by 4 is 20. 20 divided by 5 is 4. We have already 100 plus 4 threes are 12. So 100 plus 12 is 112. So your option C must be the correct answer. All right, now let's see the answer correct. It is. All right, let's move on to the next question. See the next question. We have 80 divided by 4 is 20. Okay. Next we have 90 plus 20 minus 5 into 3. So 5 into 3 is 15. So 90 plus 20 minus 15, which is 90 plus 20 minus 15 is 5. So 95, which is the correct answer, option B. Okay. So you have to clearly understand and then give the answers. Now let me see how many of you have given option B as the correct answers. Let me see. Yes, many, Nikhil, Pavitra, Navadeep, many have given me this answer. Good students, I cannot read all names. Right, see, next question. Let me erase this 1 second. See the next question. Here we have 100 divided by 100 divided by 20 plus 32 divided by 4 minus 6 multiplied by 2. Okay. So the answer here, second, I'm able to erase this. Okay. Right. Now, how to do this? 20 divided 100 divided by 20. So we get 5 times plus 32 divided by 4 is 8. Okay. Then you add up this and then minus 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. So you end up in option 1. Okay. Right. Hope you would have understood. See the next question. 1 second, students here. Yes. See your next question. So we have 42 divided by 2 is 2 2s are 2 1s are into 3 plus 15 minus 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 21 multiplied by 3 is 63 plus 14 minus 3. So 63 plus 11, which is 74. So your option must be B, 74. Okay. All right, now let me see the correct answer here. It is right. Now see the next question. Okay. So here we have 24, 200 divided by 4 is T divided by 2 divided by 5. So 50 divided by 2 is what? 25. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. So your option A must be the correct one. Okay. So hope you would have understood this. Supposed to be very simple in fact. Yes. Right. So before I move on to the next question, I would like to see how many of you have given the correct answer. Yeah. So, right. So now we are going to see how many of you have given the correct answer. Let me just see the chat box. Yes, almost many has given. And Sai, Navadeep. Next I have Chaitan, Tushar. Many more students. Okay, now let's concentrate on this. How do we do this? 96 divided by 8. So 8 ones are 8 twos are 16 divided by 4 into I have 10 divided by 5 is 2. So 12 divided by 4 is 3 into 2. Okay, so 12 divided by 4 is 3 into 2, which is 6. Okay, let's check the answer for this. The answer here is 15. 96 divided by 8 divided by 4 into 10 divided by 5. So 98 divided by 96 divided by 8 is 12. Okay, divided by 4 into 10 divided by 5 is 2. Okay, students, so 3 into 2, it is not 5. See, 10 divided by 5 is what? 2, isn't it? So they made a mistake here. So it should be 2. So 3 twos are 6. So that is why it is not there in the option. The correct answer is 6. Okay. All right, now let's see the next question. Here goes. We have 6 multiplied by 8 divided by 2 into 20 divided by 4. Now, quickly give me your answers in the chat box. Let me see how many of you are giving. I have Mani Teja, Sahasra, Pavan, Sri Vidya, Raju, Tushar. Okay. Just a second. All right. So here we have, yes, almost all students are giving me the correct answer, students. Let's check the answer. Let's find out how this has to be done. So we have 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay. 6 multiplied by 4 into 20 divided by 4 is 5. So 6, okay, 4 5s are 20. 20 into 6 is 120. So that is why option B is correct. Let's see the answer. It is 120. Right. All right. Yes. See the next question. Here we have, this is very simple, students, because there is no division here at all, isn't it? So we only have multiplication in this. That is 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4. Just multiply everything and give your options. That's all. So 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. 30 into 4 is 120. So your option B. Okay, that should be the correct one. All right. So before I move on to the next question, I wanted to see how many of you are giving the correct answers. So I have Satvik here. Yes, almost many have given the correct answers and still giving. Vaishnavi, Shripati, Sahasra, Sai Shashank, Navadi, Prithvik, Sankeet, yes, Rishvit, Raja, Chandana. Many have given the correct answers, students. Good. All right. Let's see the next question. So interesting fact about multiplication is whenever more than one multiplication operators are there, we can multiply any two numbers first, but we cannot do for division. Right. So we have to follow the order for division. Okay. Right. Now see the next question. Here we have 48 divided by 8. 8 6 are 6 8s are 48, isn't it? So 48 divided by 8 is 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So your option A must be the correct answer. Okay. All right. See the next question. Right. So here comes the mental ability. So just a second. Right. Fine. So let's quickly do mental. Start with mental ability. What comes next? So now let us answer these questions. Okay, students. So I'm just giving you the question. Let me see how many of you are answering. Here we have uh, 3 figures. What should be the next one? Okay. So you can try. You can think over this. All right. So we have a, if you slightly rotate it clockwise, then we get this, right? So no, we have to rotate it anti-clockwise. Then only we'll get this. Anti-clockwise is towards the left hand side. Okay, right? So first it goes towards the right, the circle. Next it is got to the top. Next it is gone to the left. And next it has to come down, isn't it? So option C or D must be the correct answer. So you have to decide where. Which will give you your answer being the first question. Very simple question, students. I'm sure you all can answer this. Okay, so let's see the answer. The option is C. Okay, see the next question. We have full circle. The next one, it is halfly. The next one is slightly, it is being taken off. And third one, it is exactly half. Okay, so when it is exactly half, then what would be the option? Next one. Is it A, B, C, or D? Okay, so take not more than 1 minute, students. It's such a simple question. So I'm sure you all will answer. I'm sure you all will understand this. So let me see how many of you are giving the correct answers. Yeah, I have many who are trying to give me and who have already given me. Oh yes, Ritwik, Satvik, Navdeep, uh, Shripati, Srividya. And right, students, it's very difficult. It's to very much running. Right, so let me see. The correct option is A. Okay, let's see the next question. So you just have to see how it is and then give me the answer. That's all. Okay, so just see and then give me the answer. So when the first figure, what is the difference between the first and the second figure? The first figure is slightly rotated clockwise. Okay, another half bracket is added. Again, it is slightly tilted clockwise. Another, then again another line or the closed bracket kind is added. So now when you are going to again tilt it, then it will look vertical. Isn't it? So again another line would be added. So what is the correct option? A, B, C, and D. Let's see the answer, students. A, option A is the correct one. Okay. Let's see the next question. Your first figure, there is equal part. Another second line is drawn. Third, three lines are drawn. So fourth, obviously, four line must be drawn. Am I right? Where you should have only three columns. So mostly your correct option would be C. Okay, right. See the next question. We have circle, then six-sided figure is outside the circle. Right, your next one, your circle is outside. Next, instead of 6, it has become 5. Okay, so the outer has come inner. Okay, instead of 5, you have 4. So next you will have, instead of 4, 3. So there is only one, that is option B, which has the triangle. So that should be the correct answer. Yes. See the next question. We have a kind of S symbol as 4. Next, we have only one sleeping line above. Second one, you have 2. Third one, you have 3. But gradually, your S symbol is reducing. So the next one, you will have 4 lines, but only one S. So your option C must be the correct one, right? Yes. Fine. Now see the next question, students. What would be the fourth figure? Okay. So you just have to think and then give me the answer. Quickly give me the answer, students. So is it option A? Is it option B? Or is it option C or option D? So what could be the next option? All right. See the answer. It is option B. See the next question. We have a triangle. First one. And the second one, it is instead of 3 sides, we have 4 sides. After that, the one which was facing down, it is being anti-clockwise done, so it is turning right. So the next time it should turn up. Quickly give me your answer, students. All right, let's see the answer. Option A. All right, now next, see the next question. The first figure, the arrows facing up. The second figure, the arrows facing right hand side. Third one, the arrows facing down. So where should be the arrow facing next? Obviously, it should be left with the 2 conditions. There should be only one line in the middle and it should not be highlighted. So option B. Could be the only correct option. Okay, that's right. Now see the next question. Now what could be the next best option? So first one we had 6-sided. Okay, so first one we had 6-sided. So second one we have 5-sided, right? See, the first one we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third one is 1, 2, 3, 4. So fourth one must be 3. Option 3. Let's see the answer. Oh, yeah, this has to be closed. So your answer is option 3. Okay, students. I need to erase it, otherwise the next question you all will get confused. All right, see the next question. Yes. See the first figure and the second figure and the third one. In the first one, we had 4 horizontal lines. The second one, there are 3. So third one also 3. But the vertical lines, in the first one we had 4. Second one is also 4. Third one is 3. Fourth one, what could it be? Okay. So you just have to think little to answer these mental ability sums. All right, now let's see the answer. It should be option B. Because out of 3, 1 can be taken, which will be 2. Right, now see the next question. Very simple, students. You all can answer. What could be the next option? Okay, so first you had 4 small balls highlighted, and the second one we have right hand side. Third one we have 2. Fourth one we will have only 1. Yeah. So I think most probably B could be the correct answer. Yes, correct. Okay. See the next question. We have a small star which has been highlighted, which has been anti-clockwise. It has been turned. So when you turn it, the second one, then this, see, in a triangle, first one you had highlighted. So you had first you had highlighted this, then this, then this. Next it should be down. Right? So next it should be down. Okay, so let's see the answer. It should be option C. See the next question. By then, let me erase it. Okay. So, what is the difference between the first figure and the second figure, students? It is being highlighted. Okay. Next, instead of 1 line, you have 2 lines. Third one, you have 3 lines. The highlight is missing. So the fourth one must be highlighted. Okay. And instead of 3, you have 4. So what could be the correct option? None other than option D. Isn't it? None other than option D. Right. Now see the next question. Let me erase this. All right. So here we have an empty circle which is moved clockwise. This is clockwise. So from here it has come there. From here it has come there. Next it should be in the left. So the left means either B or D. Okay. Next, So when it comes, all right, so when it comes left, what happens? Yeah, let me close it so that you can see the. So it becomes, option B is the correct answer, right? So when it is slowly moving anti-clockwise, so the opposite sign will be up. Okay. All right. Let's see. Yeah. And let me see how many of you have given me the right answer. Almost, I have many students giving the correct answers. So Rishvit, Kaveri, Shripati, Srividya, Radha, Mani Teja, many more students. Good. Right now, see here, this is totally not changed. Little by little, we are changing this. Okay. So, what is the difference between the first and the second? The second has one more. Third has one more. So, three. So, the fourth one should have how much? Here, three means next should be four. So, I think option B would be the correct one. Let's see. This option C because it is highlighted. That's the thing. Okay. All right. Now, so this one and the next one is same. Let's move on to the next question. Yeah. So you have three lines. What's the difference between the first figure and the second figure? Second and the third. Then the same thing. Strategy you will adopt here to get the fourth one. Okay. All right. So this could be our last question. Let's quickly do this and let me get the answer, students. By then, let me read a few names who all are on the way. I have Sai, Shashank, Tirnesh, Raju, Salman, Vignesh, Ujjila, Tejaswini, Navadeep, Shanmukha Priya, Harika, Pratik, Kirtana, Tushar, many students. Okay. Now, let me see. So option A is the correct one. Okay. So many had given me option A, which is the correct one. So I think we shall end with this. So our mental ability sums are coming. This would be the last mental ability sum for today. Let me hand it over to Chandrika ma'am to end the session. Over to you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, students, again we will have class tomorrow at 7:30 p.m. with a new concept. So please always be ready with your book and a pen. And NMMS exam ki apply cheyadaniki kuda date anedi extend ayindi. So you can apply till 18th. 18th is the last date to apply. So ఇంకా ఎవరన్నా అప్లై చేసుకొని వాళ్ళు ఉంటే ఎవరైనా అప్లై చేసుకునే వాళ్ళు ఉంటే తొందరగా అప్లై చేసుకోండి. 18th October is the last date. You have only 3 days to apply. So again we will meet tomorrow. Subscribe to our channel Chitradhara Educational Technology. Bye everyone.